Here we go, 2021 Indian Scout. We're about to change the exhaust on it. This is the stock exhaust of my buddy Kurt. His brand new bike, very proud owner. Let's fire it up.
That's not too bad.
Not too bad. It kind of sounds like a grandma's bike, but we're okay with that. Okay, here we go. Kill it. So here we go, finished product, Reinhart slip-ons on an Indian Scout. We also put the black covers on the headers, and let's see what it sounds like. Kurt, you have the honors.
Still ready?
Red button. Yeah, you good?
I already put it on.
Yep, you're good. Yep.